What's up YouTube? I was going to be showing off the new GoPro 12. I guess it's a black creator edition. And then this is the accessory kit. I actually got them as a gift for Christmas. I'm excited. I enjoy the GoPros. I'm not sure what these specs are. The different ones from what I'm using now, GoPro 9. Hopefully will inspire me to shoot more and put out more content. It's the back of the box. Got an SD card. They take micro SDs, which is pretty sweet. You can hold a lot. Live streaming, waterproof, 8x slow-mo, battery life enhanced audio capture. I've never had a kit like this. The last one I bought was just a basic 9 is what I usually use. Looks like it comes in a really nice case. Bigger one at least. Let's open this bad boy up. Dang. You got all the stickers probably set up. Yeah, it's a lot different from my old stand. Looks like it's... I don't know all the differences from the tripods, but I guess this is their newer, smaller one is what I'm filming off of. I'll show you the box. Yeah. It's pretty interesting. I don't know if I'm setting it up correctly. This is a little bit of a funky stand. I guess you can... I'll have to read about all the features. Yeah, it looks like it's speckled and a little different from the one I'm using right now. Case. Dang, there's a lot of pieces in here. I'm gonna have to go through. Looks like 2 chargers, maybe? I have no idea. I know that's for the microphone. These are different mounts you can mount it on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look through this a little bit more in depth. See what the book shows. Basic setup. It's a camera guard, stickers. I think that might be the charger. I have no idea. You guys probably know more if you're watching this video, you're interested about GoPros. This is my second GoPro. Some advertisements, cold weather, product questions. Must be updated before you can use it. Interesting. Usually a lot of the stuff, I know my last one was pick up and go. Yeah, it feels nice. I think it's a little bulky. I guess there's more room to carry stuff in with this case. Let's go with some accessories. Box. I'm such an amateur recording these. My videos will get better. I gotta get more into my recording. Let's see, it comes with a head strap, chest strap, floating handle, extendable monopod hole. Oh yeah, I guess for the selfie stick pretty much. Suction cup mount, flexible 6-inch mini tripod, GoPro mount adapters, 2 thumb screws, 2 quick release buckles, interesting, safety tether cable, semi-hard carrying case, and GoPro setup. Seems pretty nice. I don't know what these retail for. Like I said, it was, oh shoot, destroying my box. Seems like it was really nice. Like I said, I don't know what these go for on the open market or what the retail is, but I got this as a gift, so usually I try to state that in my video. Wow. Let's see, I got the floaty handle, mount, suction cup mount. Is this the adaptable stick? In there. Let's see. I think it's got some, maybe what, 2-3 feet? Maybe. I don't know. It's pretty cool, I guess. You're walking around and you're like, yeah, look at me, we're here. We're at Disneyland. I guess we can get this one out of the box. about the same size as my one. Oh, it's actually smaller. It's interesting. I guess I could take the floaty handle out. I don't know where I'm gonna hold all these accessories, and I don't know if I'll use half of them. Just so you don't drop your GoPro in the lake or the ocean. I don't know, I'm always worried. Maybe I don't want to take my GoPro through the mud and through the dirt and everything and the water, but that's just me with a nice expensive camera. I mean, I know that's what they're made for. Oh, it looks like it's another GoPro case. I guess it comes with. Let's see, let's compare these bad boys. This one's a little squishier. I mean, there could be stuff in this, don't get me wrong. I'm not the brightest crayon in the box. Oh no, I guess this one is just a little bit more durable. Pretty strong. Let's see what we got. Explains everything. Suction cup mount, tripod, floating handle, semi-hard carrying case. Not intended to hold the entire accessory kit. Do not store wet accessories inside the pouch. Yeah, really GoPro. Yeah, I'm gonna have to read. Like I said, I don't know what the safety strap is. Yeah, I'd have to watch another YouTube video on this myself. I assume this is the headband. I have the chest mount. I got another one. These are probably the coolest for fishing or doing anything where you want to see your hands, showing what you're doing. Head mount would be pretty cool if you want the more POV kind of deal and you don't want to see your hands or anything. Got some mounts. I'm not sure. Oh, these might be the section off your case. I don't know. I'm an amateur. I'm a noob. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, that's what you'll get if you purchase any of these two products. I guess I should probably show the camera off, huh? And then, dang man, oh, GoPro light. That's kind of cool. If you're doing a studio setup like me. Oh geez. How do I turn this thing off? Okay, cool. That's a cool piece actually. I don't know if it's battery powered or not. Man, it's actually kind of cool. I guess if you're more into a mobile studio kind of deal, I don't have no setup. I just film wherever. One day I want to get something going real nice. Looks like these are the new batteries. The batteries look a little different than the 9s. Like I said, I don't really follow GoPro that much. I don't know the difference between the 9s, 10s, 11s, 12s. I really wasn't expecting to get this, so I'm really excited to start filming some more and get better quality videos. And like I said, I don't have a special mic. I don't have a special lighting system. I have a little O-ring light that I do my videos with. But yeah, this is actually the camera itself. It's actually